Good morning, children. Here is the third video of our topic today. That is, the next topic is diseases. Now, all of you know what is the meaning of disease. Disease is nothing but feeling unwell. Okay, sometimes what happen, a person may feel weak, it is not able to work properly. Such type of feeling is nothing but it is a type of disease. Okay, and these diseases are caused by germs means a small microorganisms, living beings present around us, which may cause this diseases. So I think you are clear with the diseases are spread by germs. Mainly there are two types of diseases: infectious diseases and non-infectious diseases. Now we shall first learn about the infectious disease. Now, what is the meaning of infectious disease? The disease, it is also called as communicable disease, means the diseases which spread from one person to another person is called as infectious disease. Now, the person who is infected or the person who is having disease, those person are called as infected person. So suppose a infected person is sitting beside a healthy person, then that disease will be transferred to the healthy person. So such type of diseases are called infectious disease. They spread by different way, such as they may spread through air. If a infected person is sitting beside a healthy person and that infected person sneeze or cough, then the germs get released into the air, and a healthy person when breathe that infected air, the germs enter its body and it may also get infected. Then the next is by the infected food and water. It is always said don't eat the food on the roadside which is open, because such type of food may get infected because of flies, germs and water. If a healthy person eats such type of food, it may get different diseases such as diarrhea, typhoid, jaundice, cholera, etc. So it's very dangerous to eat the infected food. Then the third is through insects. Such insects such as mosquito may spread malaria. You must be knowing that female mosquito called as Anopheles spreads malaria. It carries the germs of malaria from the infected person to the healthy persons. Next is through direct contact. That means if a person is infected, if a healthy person use the handkerchief or towel used by the infected person, he or she may get infected. And the last is through damaged skin. See children, skin is present as a protective layer on our body. If a person gets fell down somewhere and the skin get damaged, the germs which are present in the air directly enters the body and it may lead to the diseases. So these are the different ways by which the diseases are spread. Infectious disease. Now, how to prevent this disease? It's very simple. What we should do is we should keep our surrounding clean so that there won't be any mosquitoes, there won't be any flies, and the surrounding is clean, then the germs will also be in less amount. So the best way is to keep our surrounding clean. Then you can use the disinfectant and antiseptic. Now this disinfectant and antiseptics are used to clean the floor, which may kill the germs present. Disinfectants to clean the floor, and antiseptic is used to clean the wounds or cuts in the body. If sometimes you fall down on the ground while playing and all that, you should apply Dettol, which is called as antiseptic, which kills the germs around the wound. Next is use the mosquito repellent. See, mosquitoes, as we have seen how they spread, mosquitoes are one who can spread the disease. So try to use the repellent like All Out and all that, so that no mosquitoes will be there and you may be safe from them. And next is try to avoid and stay away from the infected people. That is, if someone is having diseases, keep little away from that person for few days to let that person recover, and then you can again go and talk to them. So these are the different ways by which infection diseases are cannot be spread. Now the next is non-infectious disease. These are mainly non-communicable. It will not transfer from one person to another. Like if someone is having non-infectious disease, is sitting just beside you, you will not get that diseases. Such diseases are called Non-infectious diseases. Such type of diseases are mostly deficiency disease. Now what is meant by deficiency? Deficiency means lack of nutrients. If a person is having less amount of nutrients in the body, it is called as deficiency disease. Then you have to go to the doctor will check and they will tell you to take that nutrients which are less in your body, and you may recover. And you can to see the different types of deficiency disease, you can refer page number 7 in your textbook. There is one table in which the nutrients which are deficient in the body and how which type of diseases because of the deficiency of that mineral will be caused, and how you can recover also, it is given in the table. You may refer that table. Now there are some of the examples of the non-communicable diseases are allergy, which cannot be transferred; diabetes, which cannot be transferred from one person to another; arthritis; asthma. So these are the some of the examples of non-infectious disease. So here we finish the next topic, diseases. We will proceed in the next video. Thank you.